You saw the alerts. The J&J vaccine is back on. The CDC, the FDA say the pause on Johnson & Johnson's vaccine is over. I'm Jason Martinez.
I'm Shayna Humphreys. They say vaccinations can start up again tomorrow on one condition. There must be clear warnings about the risk of blood clots. 15 people out of nearly 8 million who received the J&J vaccine developed a rare form of blood clots. All 15 were women, most of them under the age of 50. 3 have died and 7 are still in the hospital. But U.S. health advisors say the benefits of preventing COVID deaths outweigh the rare risk of blood clots. So, Joanne, they can start back tomorrow across the country, but when will we see them back in action here?
Pretty soon, Shayna. Officials in suburban counties say they are preparing to resume the single-dose vaccinations as soon as possible, and that could be in the next couple of days.
I was in the category to get the vaccine, and J&J was the first available one, so I was taking whatever came first.
Too late now. Joe Lawley is getting his first shot of the Pfizer vaccine at the Neshaminy Mall in Bucks County. His J&J appointment was canceled when the CDC and FDA put a pause on the single-dose vaccine 11 days ago.
6 people, 7 million out of 7 million, please. Just give it to me. I'll take it right now. I'll take my chances.
In somewhat more subtle terms, the CDC and FDA said the same. The federal agencies lifted their self-imposed pause on the use of the J&J vaccine, concluding the benefits outweigh the risk of blood clots that occurred in 15 women.
CDC, in partnership with FDA, is recommending that administration of the Johnson & Johnson or Janssen vaccine resume.
It shows the fact that science and people looking at data can come together and they vote on it.
In Bucks County, officials had pivoted quickly and offered those scheduled for the J&J the Pfizer vaccine. Now they plan to reopen one of 5 clinics offering the J&J early next week. By now, close to 48% of Bucks residents have had both or one vaccine.
In spite of the hiccup with J&J, we've been going, full throttle with the Pfizer vaccinations.
Also in Montgo, health officials say they will be ready to resume the J&J vaccinations early next week. The same thing with the state of New Jersey. Now, the CDC is already pushing out revised fact sheets about the J&J vaccine and also advising doctors what to do if they encounter any adverse effects from the J&J vaccine. Tonight, we're live in Old City. I'm Joanne Pileggi, Fox 29 News.